Good day, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist, and on this channel is all about spirituality. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And don't hesitate to turn the notification bell to all, so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. On this channel, we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural root, natural plant that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energy, frequencies, and vibration. If this is your first time of joining us, please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll get notified. For those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one girl, you know who you are. Those of you who have been supporting me in money and in kind, those of you who have been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, may my God continue to bless you. Whatever that is your problem that made you to come in contact of my face today, my God will solve that problem for you without wasting each and every one of your time. I have come with another power part information that will help you to restore your glory. How to restore your glory? How to restore your destiny? Is there anywhere your spirit or your glory has been caged? Do you used to forget your dreams? When you dream, you forget your dream. Do you used to have spiritual laziness? When you see yourself in the dream, people will attack you. You will not be able to attack back or to fight for yourself. Have your spirit been caged somewhere? Has somebody stolen your destiny or your gift? Or do you used to be blind in the dream? When you are dreaming, you will not be able to open your eyes in the dream. You see yourself being blind in the dream. Yes, some people used to see themselves being blind in the dream when they are sleeping. You know that your glory has been stolen. Your gift has been hijacked. Somebody somewhere has hijacked your glory. Your hidden treasure, someone has taken it. Yes, they have wala you apriko. Has wala here. When once your glory is gone, when you talk to people, people will not listen to you. Your siblings will be overlooking you. They will be insulting you, hating you for no reason. If this is your case, know that your glory has been taken. You will be walking in the sight of people. People will drive joy in making you feel sad. You know that your glory is no longer there. Nobody will be able to help you. Some people intentionally take your glory and submit to the occult. Some people add your glory to their own glory in order for them to be successful. Anytime they collect your glory from you, you have become powerless. Whenever your glory has been taken, you become empty. When you talk, people don't listen. When you talk, people be abusing you. Whenever you bring suggestion, everybody will be just looking at you as if you are a nobody. You will see yourself misbehaving. When you want to shout, you shout more than you can. You want to drink, you drink more than. You want to pursue woman, you pursue more than. Your glory has been stolen. It's your glory that used to protect you. So if you want to restore your glory, I want you to go and get me bitter cola. Another item is banana flour. This thing on here. Go and get it for me. How are you going to do it? Soak the banana flour in the water for 3 days. It's going to ferment. Then, after 3 days, take the water to your bedroom. The bitter cola you have to put it in your mouth. These two things must be used together to interconnect, to restore what anybody has been taking from you. It is a natural thing that God has created. It does not have any artificial added to it. When you have your bitter cola in your mouth, you use that water that you have soaked from the banana flour. Use it to bathe. While bathing between the bitter cola, and you will be praying that today, whatsoever that they have taken from you, whatsoever that is blocking your spiritual mind from manifestation, whatsoever that is causing spiritual laziness in the dream, spiritual laziness in your life, you are always being defeated in the dream. You cannot fight for yourself in the dream. That today you are destroying every power. Anywhere that your glory has been stolen, any man holding your glory, any woman holding your glory, that they should release it this minute. As you are doing this assignment, you begin to restore your glory. You begin to restore your destiny. As you are praying and bathing that water, you are chewing the bitter cola. As you are bathing, you are chewing the bitter cola and praying. Then when you are done bathing, you don't need to towel dry your body. This is the last thing you will do before going to bed. After doing this, go and lie down. You will see everything that the enemy has been taking to you. That man, that woman has stolen your glory. After doing this for 3 nights, you will enkindle your light. Yes, this banana flour and bitter cola will do wonders for you. It will help you to restore your glory. It will help you to restore your destiny. Whatsoever the enemy has stolen from you, as long as it has something to do with spirituality, anything they have taken from you spiritually, after doing this, your glory will be restored. Yes, go and try this out and come back here with your testimony. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And don't hesitate to place an order on our spiritual materials, because on this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it in the past. It has been from one testimony to the other. We have the course-breaking soap. We have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the hand mirror soap. We have the crowd pulling soap. We have the stop evil soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the mercy and favor soap. We have the spiritual cleansing bad detox. Then we have the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. Are you suffering from moving object? Is that anything crawling inside your body? You are having itches and rashes on your body. You have been to the doctors diagnose it, you don't have any infection. You don't have any HIV, but you are dying slowly. You are thinking of taking your own life. Brother Chima tell you to search no further. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover, the moving object destroyer. Have you eaten something in the dream? Has they given you food poison through the dream? And from that dream, since you have that dream, it has been from one affliction to the other. You have been sick up to no avail. Please place an order to your spiritual materials. We ship all part of the whole world: Europe, Asia, America, South America, Canada, US, United States, UK, Germany, and so on and so forth. If you place an order within the interval of 5 to 6 days, your order will get to your doorstep. Thank you for always coming back here to chat me. If you need me to do anything for you spiritually, don't hesitate to chat me on WhatsApp, as I am open to communication. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. Bless you, remain blessed, and continue.